Jaguar XK8. Which engine do I have? Okay, for those who aren't aware, there are three engine types in both the XK8 and the XKR, namely AJ26, AJ27, AJ34. These are all derivatives of the AJ V8 engine. The first variant in the XK8 XKR was the XK8 model year 1997. How you can spot this engine, the AJ26NA is the vacuum actuator on the throttle body here. It has a square MAF sensor. The engine covers are very flat, although you can't really tell the difference here, and it has a VVT actuator on the front of the engine, the binary type. Now, those who don't know the difference between an XK8 and an XKR, the XK8 has this very fancy air inlet manifold. All the pipes you can see here, this is actually not just decorative, it's actually functional. It's a very complicated inlet manifold. So moving on, in 1999 the engine was upgraded to AJ27. Now this upgrade was actually, well, I'm not really talking about the upgrades in this video, but how you can tell the difference, you've lost the vacuum actuator because you've got a fully electronic throttle. You've also got an upgraded MAF sensor. The MAF sensor is actually different here, it's not rectangular anymore. And you've got continuously variable valve timing, and that actuator comes up through the top of the engine. Also, whether you're aware or not, it has actually air-assisted fuel injection, and that means the engine covers here are slightly higher than the AJ26 to allow for all those pipes. Also, you see the badge, the 4-litre badge has been introduced. The lettering is a little bit different. Okay, moving on then to AJ34 in model year 2003. This looks considerably different. The engine cover is quite a lot different, but it's still got the same manifold. You can see the air intake, at the end of it there's a sensor, and you have this regulator here, very silvery regulator, looks like a bit of an add-on. That's the AJ34NA. Okay, moving on to the same engines as they were used with a supercharged version. So this started out in model year 1998. Now those who don't know how to spot a supercharged, it's pretty obvious. It's got supercharged written on these big, basically air coolers. The actual superchargers run off this belt here, and it's this unit right slap bang in the center. So if you know what you're looking at, it's very, very easy, and it's a bit of a giveaway. It's got written supercharged all over it. Okay, that was the AJ26. Now when it came through to AJ27, it's very similar to the NA, but obviously it's got supercharged on it. It lost the vacuum actuator, another MAF sensor, and then finally the AJ34, again similar to the NA. You got the sensor on the end of the air intake near the throttle body, and this regulator, again, this add-on on the side. There are lots of other changes, but these are the obvious ones. This went to 4.2 litre, but it doesn't have 4.2 litre stamped on it anyway. Okay, there you go. That's a very, very quick and simple way of identifying which engine type you have. Once you have seen the video, it's pretty obvious, but unless you know, it could be quite difficult. Okay, hopefully that's useful to you. Helps you source your parts, so you know whether you're getting AJ26, 27 or 34 bits. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.